select Transfer Out. Choose the currency you'd like to transfer. Select Bank Transfer as the transfer method. Choose a bank account to receive your funds. Enter your withdrawal amount. Check the transfer details and select Proceed to Transfer. Review the recipient and transfer details again, then click Confirm. Enter your 6-digit code by your two-factor authentication 2FA app. You will receive an email in 2 to 5 business days once your funds are credited to your bank account. Note, a $40 transaction fee applies to all US dollar transfers. StraitsX, stablecoin rails for real-world payments.